Welcome back. Welcome back. This is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. Today we will be discussing some of our new different services that we will be offering, including distance services, weave, and wig drop-off services. We're just trying to stay compliant with the COVID regulations. Also, we will be talking about our new trichology services that we offer and our at-home products that will be you'll be able to receive from the comfort of your own home. Okay, we know that it's been a very jinky ride for everyone who is suffering from the COVID 2019 virus and the different layoffs and whatever may have you. However, today we're going to be talking about how main attractions will now be becoming a more virtual hair salon. And also we will be talking about our trichology services and our custom online wig services. Okay, so as far as our distinct services that we will be doing, we do have a PO box, and our location also has a drop box where you can drop off all of your units. We can shampoo them, we can style them, we could curl them, we can do all types of things to your units. We can customize them. I know a lot of people purchase different units online and they believe that they have received a fully customized unit. However, once they receive them, they find out that they need, guess who? A stylist. That's right, honey. You thought you were going to buy a wig and get away from us? And speaking of which, of wigs, we are wearing our raw Cambodian hair. I've actually not named this one. I normally name a lot of my units, but this is I think it has some asymmetrical. We got a little asymmetric vibes going on. This is raw Cambodian hair processed. These are some of the different services and units. This is how your hair can look, boo. And this hair was we didn't even fully style her. We just put her on, we just did a couple of light bends with our cheap flat iron, and she was ready to go just like this. And that's exactly how you can be looking cute, just like this. So anyways, pretty much with those services, you can drop off your unit in the drop box, or you can mail it to us directly. We have a very secure P.O. box located off of Central Avenue in Bowie, Maryland. Also, we will be talking for any of our clients that have been receiving services for us for probably 1 plus years. Please feel free to contact us. We will be discussing even more services, distance services. Okay, and another thing we would like to address are our custom units. So our custom units, this one actually, you see this baby, she has no glue. And a lot of our custom units that we create, and no bands. A lot of people are wearing those bands, but honey, if you wear that band too long, you're gonna feel like you got a stress, tension headache. I'm trying to tell you, it can become very uncomfortable, unbearable. But with our comfortable units, and they have a breathable scalp, they can be worn glueless. Also, if you're very concerned about, like even having more of a flatter, flawless look, you can always use mousse or got to be gel or spray. And pretty much that is a very, we're going to be even doing more videos on that, on how to apply the units once you receive them when you get home, and just how easy it is to, style your hair virtually during this time. And also with the custom units, we have Brazilian hair available. We have our ready-to-ship custom units, which are more affordable, starting in the 200 plus range. So these units, they are not they're not as expensive as the custom units, but they still yield you, natural results, and it is very decent quality. So those are pretty much our service for that. We can pretty much refresh your wigs, as we stated before. And the custom units also can be customized to your liking. We can find any type of picture. We can pretty much try to style match any picture that you give us. We've been trained licensed cosmetologists. We're able to match your hairstyling and also any type of texture. because we understand that there are a lot of different texture varieties that are available out in the market, and we try our best to address all these different issues. Okay, now I know you've heard that we are the Weave Doctor, our hair salon, and but now we are certified hair loss practitioners, and with that being stated, we now are able to operate more like a hair loss clinic. We have been medically certified. We went through extensive training, and we're going to keep going through extensive training and educating ourselves concerning hair loss. Some of the new services that we will be offering trichology, cosmetology meets trichology. With cosmetology meets trichology, we will be talking about, we will be offering services such as our fungal treatments. Now, these fungal treatments, I actually, I've always been a weave doctor, but it's just now I have been certified to do some of these things and receive my certification. So, I've been making remedies. Some of my clients that have been with me over the last 8 years and plus, I've been making remedies and also just, mixing different products and knowing what products to use in different situations. So we have our fungal treatments that we will be applying. A lot of our clients who have experience with seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis have used some of our, our different serums and scalp treatments, and they have been taken off of their steroid scalp medication given by their dermatologists and doctors. So, we're here to help you get off of the meds, okay, honey? Because a lot of the steroids that's out on the market today, all they do is dry the hair out to make the hair more brittle, and just not make a healthy ground for healthy, beautiful, lustrous hair. I mean, who wants a dry sack of hair sitting on the head and, smelling like old Ben Gay? So, we have different treatments available. In conjunction with our fungal treatment, we will be giving different type of sebum blocking. This is in our intro. We have a lower level sebum blocking and a moisture bath included. And with that, as we've learned in our certification recently, that sebum is what can block up your hair follicles and many other types of things such as DST. But as far as the sebum is concerned, if you are not thoroughly cleansing your scalp, we have many weave and wig wear clients and just clients who suffer from alopecia. A lot of times with your follicles are blocked, even that good old hair growth treatment that you're buying from the local beauty supply that you might pay $20 or $40 for is doing nothing, honey. Because guess what? That follicle is blocked and none of the nutrients are seeping down to the papilla and the hair bulb. So if you want to get right in 2020, then feel free to contact us. Also, in conjunction with our introductory, treatments, another thing, we will be offering very soon the laser treatment. Now, those even help for scalp inflammation. A lot of people have a lot of different scalp issues, especially those who wear those quick weave-in glue-ins, which that you shouldn't be doing, honey. And those who refuse to keep up the scalp maintenance after they receive hair weaving installations. So, we're going to be doing that. And the final thing that we will be offering will be our full-out trichology service and our take-home services that are for trichology. For the full-out trichology services, for best results, we also have learned that best results are achieved within a 6-month to a year program. So if you want to get the best results, honey, you got to get on the program. If you don't want to get on the program, then you're going to see marginal and some results. But for the best results, we encourage you to sign up for the 6-month to the year programs. These programs, however, I will be honest, they are not for the penny pinchers. They are for people who want to invest in their look, who want to wear their real hair, and for women who want to come back to the salon and who are able to remove their wigs and hair pieces on and off. In addition to this, we will be adding detachable units. So detachable units They can either be sewn, tacked down, or they can be used with a hair clip, different clips throughout the perimeter of your piece to secure your unit. And below here are some of the different hair products that we will be offering. And don't try to go on Amazon, baby, because guess what? It ain't there. So, this is one of our starting kits. And we know that we're going through the COVID-19 outbreak. So some of you guys can do these services from home. And for those who are really serious, please contact us and we can give you further information. So this is our natural hair boosting system. And with this, we have a DHT nutrient inhibitor. So it pretty much stops the DHT, and it's similar to a supplement. It comes in a supplement form, but it's a special supplement, okay? And then also we had the good old scalp prep that I was telling you about, that you can apply on your own, honey, okay? This for people who don't want to come to the salon, and and want to just keep it safe through this 2019, this COVID-2019 virus, okay? And we have the extreme growth therapy that can be applied daily also, that has various different DHT blockers. Now, if you're a diva on the budget, these packages will be starting, I believe, at $235 or $250 and up. So I believe that's around the price. But I believe it's like a 4-month supply. So it lasts a very long time. In conjunction, if you're a diva on the budget, we have something for you too, honey. Okay? And we also have different treatments. Inbox about our growth treatments. You can hit us up, inbox us, and we will give you more details about it. Okay, honey? But this is for our fabulous divas that are on the budget. Okay, honey? And nothing wrong being on a budget with this type of virus that's going on, okay? But with this is at a lower price. This is a shampoo, a conditioner, and a growth treatment. This is the good old shampoo, okay? And with these products, they can be applied topically. And for further information, I was talking about the scalp prepping and the sebum release. You would like to probably still want to try that service, and hit us in our email or inbox if you're interested in more of our scalp prepping services. So thank you so much for your time. We are grateful to have wonderful clients that support us during these times, and we hope that you stay safe. Have a great day.